Welcome to the project demonstration of Reconfigurable IoT based water quality monitoring system using ESP8266 and microcontroller. So here we are monitoring the water quality with the three parameters. One is pH from this pH sensor and turbidity. So from this turbidity sensor and temperature with DS18B20 temperature sensor. So pH values, as you know that you should provide the pH value whether it is alkaline or acid or normal water, and turbidity which can measure the water clearness, how much of dust particles are present, how much of light is passing through the water, so that if the water is clear the lighting was passed heavily. And these units are going to be the NTU, and coming to the temperature just is degrees centigrade. So these three sensors interface to the microcontroller at A0, A1, A2 pins respectively, and also based on these sensor values, if is there any abnormality detected, then automatically we are going to on the buzzer through this piezo buzzer which is 5 volt operated, and also continuously the data is streaming to the mobile phone through this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module in the application. So same data will be displayed on the LCD screen also. So here we are providing the power supply from this adapter, so which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output that is distributing to the through this breadboard throughout the input and output modules of our project. So in our project the input modules are pH sensor, turbidity and DS18B20. Output modules LCD, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and buzzer board. So the all are interfaced to the PIC microcontroller in our project. So before on the kit we need to do some initial steps in our mobile phone. For that, go to hotspot settings of your phone. First step is change the hotspot name to project 5638 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. After on the hotspot, install the network analyzer application and install SSH client application. Right, so this application, install this. So these two applications important and hotspot on. Thereafter on the power supply to the kit. In your mobile phone you can see one device is connected in your mobile phone settings. So in the hotspot settings we can see one device is connected. Right, one device got connected, right? Then go to network analyzer application. Right, so first of all, network analyzer application, in options do line scan, do the scan. There we get the IP address of our ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Copy the IP address and then go to Juice SSH application. Here go to manage connections and do the connection. And first of all, type should be telnet. First setup. Next step, paste the IP address which we got from the network analyzer application, and the next port number is 8080. These three are type, address, port number. Right, on the hotspot, connect to that. Hello, okay, got it. Right, now okay, so next time when you open this app directly you can see this, just click on that. So now we are getting the data directly. Yes, I'm increasing the font by using volume up button. So pH value and temperature, turbidity. So as of now there is no input to the sensors of pH and turbidity, that's why you're getting 0 0. Yes, I'm placing this inside this water. We will get the value of 63 now for that water, and placing this green bottle is going to be the mineral water. And coming to the limitations, we set the limit for the pH is, if it is 9 above then you will get the audible alert, and turbidity 200, temperature in degrees centigrade is going to be the 45. So just place this inside the water and you can just change this to the underwater. You get the difference. Same data is streaming to this. Now if I increase the temperature, just I'm heating this. When it crosses the 46 or 45 degrees centigrade, then automatically buzzer continuously on and the so-called alert message displayed on the LCD screen, high temperature. Same alert message will be displayed on this message LCD for pH abnormality and turbidity abnormality. When it's normal again, buzzer will be off.